Welcome to the Vibrant World of Marigolds. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the colorful and versatile world of marigold flowers. Marigolds, scientifically known as tagetes, are renowned for their vibrant blooms and strong, distinctive scent. These iconic flowers are cherished for their beauty, symbolism, and practical uses. Join us as we explore the vibrant world of marigolds. The genus Tagetes encompasses several species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Marigolds are characterized by their cheerful, daisy-like flowers, which come in a range of colors, including bright orange, yellow, and deep red. Marigolds carry cultural and symbolic significance. They are often associated with happiness, prosperity, and positive energy, making them popular choices for celebrations, festivals, and garden decorations. Additionally, marigolds are known for their pest-repelling properties, making them valuable companion plants in gardens. Marigolds are easy to grow and maintain, making them a favorite among gardeners. They thrive in various climates and soil types, making them a versatile choice for gardens, borders, containers, and even as a source of natural dye. One of the most remarkable features of marigolds is their ability to deter common garden pests, such as aphids and nematodes, due to the natural compounds they produce. This pest-repelling quality adds to their allure and makes them a valuable addition to organic gardening practices. Efforts are made to conserve native marigold species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, marigolds are more than just colorful blooms. They embody the spirit of positivity, protection, and the beauty of practicality. Marigolds are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from tropical regions to temperate zones. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Marigolds thrive in regions with warm to hot climates and are often grown as annuals. They are known for their heat tolerance and ability to endure the heat of summer. Soil preferences. Marigolds are not overly particular about soil type but prefer well-draining soil. They can grow in sandy, loamy, or clayey soils and tolerate a slightly acidic to neutral pH range. Watering needs. Marigolds require moderate watering, with an emphasis on consistent moisture during their growing season. However, they are somewhat drought-tolerant once established. Sunlight requirements. Marigolds are sun-loving plants that thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily to produce their best blooms. Companion planting. Marigolds are well known for their pest-repelling properties, making them valuable companions for vegetables and other plants in gardens. Marigolds offer a myriad of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their vibrant charm into your outdoor space. Garden borders. Plant marigolds as a colorful border or edging for your garden, adding a burst of cheerful blooms. Container gardening. Grow marigolds in pots and containers to bring their vibrant beauty to patios, balconies, and small spaces. Cutting gardens. Cultivate marigolds in cutting gardens, where their bright blooms can be used for fresh flower arrangements, bringing a touch of color indoors. Vegetable gardens. Use marigolds as companion plants in vegetable gardens to deter pests and add beauty to your crops. Butterfly and pollinator gardens. Marigolds attract pollinators such as butterflies and bees, making them a valuable addition to pollinator-friendly landscapes. Herb gardens. Plant marigolds among your herbs to provide pest protection and create a visually appealing garden. The versatility of marigolds allows you to infuse your outdoor space with their vibrant charm, whether you choose to create colorful borders, container displays, or companion plantings. Thank you for joining us on this vibrant journey into the vibrant world of marigolds. Marigolds have captivated humanity with their colorful blooms, symbolism, and practical benefits, symbolizing positivity, protection, and the beauty of nature. Whether you're a gardener, an enthusiast of companion planting, or simply someone who appreciates the vibrant beauty of a marigold, may these cheerful flowers continue to bring happiness, prosperity, and a burst of color to your life and surroundings.